Oh, you're gonna have to beat that out. You don't curse on your channel, right?
No. Kendra said to make a video out of this, so I am. We already mixed up the mask. Kendra, you want to show them what it is?
So, I used activated charcoal capsules. Get these from, like, Whole Foods. Do you guys have that here?
Yeah.
Okay. And then I used some Elmer's glue because it's
non-toxic.
And you just, oh, I guess I should explain. I took about 2 tablespoons. Well, I guess you could
do like 2 tablespoons per person, probably.
I just did 2.
But you poured in more at the end.
Yeah, but that's only like about like 2 tablespoons. The whole thing is 5 fluid ounces.
Okay, yeah, you're right. Like 2 tablespoons.
And then I did 2 capsules of the charcoal. You just pop them in. You mix it up.
Just like that. And we just steamed our faces to open up all the pores. And now we're applying. It looks good. Looks really good. I'm not even kidding you guys. My skin has been like the worst that it's been in like 5,000 years. My whole life. And so I'm trying to fix it. If you guys have any skincare tips, I don't know why I've been breaking out. It's just been happening. Let me know down below. I might even go see a dermatologist because your girl's unhappy with her skin.
I'm gonna play some like music and like speed this thing up. Alright, love you, Mama.
This looks so good. This looks like those ones that you like buy from the
yeah,
one places.
And honestly, like the Glam Glow one, in my opinion, this is better.
Really? I love the Glam Glow one.
I have the most sensitive skin ever, and this just... it's so much better.
It definitely smells like the glue.
Oh, we could have put essential oils in it to make it not smell bad, but
that was a good idea.
I don't really care that much.
It's okay. Lavender would have been really good to put in it for your skin.
Lavender irritates my skin.
You're lying.
I swear. I done swear it. Please cut all of this out. I'm so weird.
I'm really glad it's like on my lips right now, but it's fine.
And you can also use this on like, you don't have to do it all over your face. Like sometimes I just do my T-zone with this.
Well, like everything's breaking out right now, so I
just want to do everything right now to get all of my peach fuzz off my face. Oh my god, the best is doing your makeup after you do this because your face literally has no hair on it and it's just like, ah. No.
I know, girl.
That's the tea, sis.
Our face masks are on. We look scary as heck. We'll be back when they're dry to show you the satisfaction of us peeling them off. Yeah. Be good. Bye. Okay. Kendra already started taking hers off. I'm gonna take mine off. Wait, how?
Peel up.
You guys have to do like a close-up thing once you take it off.
I can't do it.
So you can see the pores.
Like it's not happening. Oh wait, I got her.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, this hurts so good.
So good.
Wow. Oh gosh, there's all of that hair. I can feel it ripping out.
I can't wait to do that hair.
It gets all your like peach fuzz off your face.
Does it hurt?
Yes!
It doesn't hurt, it's just making my eyes water under my eye socket area.
It hurts.
I can't wait to peel it off later.
I feel like a band-aid.
I'm so sensitive.
Get it.
Ow. I'm just gonna leave it on because I can't do it anymore.
Guys, I'm making my mom bring us a heating pad.
So good.
And I was like,
Ow.
Just rip it like a band-aid.
yeah.
Oh, but my face is so smooth.
Yeah. I feel my cheek.
Was it worth?
1,
Yeah.
2. 1, 2.
It really cracks me up.
Yeah, I told the page out about the.
I gotta go more. 1.
I just have a really good pain tolerance, so things like this just like don't even faze me.
I don't think I'm gonna do my whole face. I might just do like my T area.
That's what I usually do because it's like I have sensitive skin and it is like a harsh mask, and on my cheeks too often it just like isn't the best situation.
Oh, that feels good.
I refuse to show the camera what was on my mask.
That sound is so satisfying. Oh my god.
Oh.
Can I see it? I love seeing this stuff.
It's just all my hairs.
Oh, I like it to see when you like when it pours out your whiteheads. Pulls out. Nice viewers.
I don't think you're gonna see.
Aw, that's
Oh, wait.
disappointing.
Yeah, you do.
I love it.
Ow. Ow. 1, 2.
Oh my god.
This is about to be the worst quality video you've ever seen. And my hair, I look like a boy. I accept it. We got done with the face masks like 2 days ago, but we never filmed the end of it. So here's the end of it.
At least we're being genuine, you know.
They worked well. My face is looking a lot better. Zoom in on that, sister. Kendra, do you want to tell them the deets? Make sure you like.
What deets? This is such a good angle.
Make sure you like.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell,
To turn on notifications to know when I upload next.
which is every Saturday
And Wednesday.
and Wednesday.
That's all.
Wednesday's my worst day of the week, so I don't
Bye.
socialize.